Thank you. Shetaguo Salim Junior akina rwimbo wa Timona Mbero rwimbo rwitagwo Jalufeta. Ado rwimbo ruganagia muno, and it is good by the way. Reke guthikagiriria ma points mamwe maria marario thiini wa rwimbo. Tondu no maguteithie na makugune. Tarona arera kada mwe Jalufeta atiri Jalufeta ene gwendete, and I love you so much. And I appreciate and recognize that you have a sound. Yes. You have a sound. That is not said by me.
Yes.
And there is that man. Yeah. Who is now from your village.
Yes.
And I've been hearing stories here and there. That you've been seeing him.
Yes.
And what I want to say is, can you stop seeing him?
If you want us to continue with this relationship.
Really?
Amwandira kimwenda na kana gake na ngeja Jalufeta ri mundu amuciarire kana no athia no monanaga
Okay, kuonana niki makina common interest.
Ayo kana ire wa kure
Well, thikũ ici
kwaja unasonga
maundu macenjirie muno. You know, in the 70s, in the 70s by the way, korwo ni kuhikania wahikanagia miaka ya 70s ri kindu ta 99% ya aikia ri ungethire nigetha uhikie ri ni ungekoria ringi ni gathirange in the 70s.
Yes.
Twoka 80s ri waikoraga body count ti ndiri iguru uguo muno ringi
3 to 5
kana 2 hau uguo. That is in the 80s.
Yes.
90s ri makiambia guka 10 2000 ri maroka 29 na ndo mara confess
my body count
ni maroka 20 something. Alafu ri baby daddies ri marongerereka. 90s wakoraga baby daddy ni umwe ni kwari kaguya kariho.
Yes.
90s wakoraga it's just one.
Mundu ati kugia mwana mbere ya atwikite ni ahika.
Yes. Wakoraga baby daddy ni umwe kana ugakorwo na mwiri tu cio ena ciana igiri no ugakora ni ciake
ni cia mundu umwe
ni cia ithe umwe. Thaa ici riu ungimukorera na ithatu ni uramba guikara kando wambe utwirorere wega
ni mchanganyiko maalum.
No iko wina ritho riega rihana binocular no kuona there is a problem.
Yes.
Things are changing. Yes. Na hindu andu ni meragwo na makaigua.
Yes.
Riu thaa ici by the muraikarania thi na mundu kindu kia mbere aramba gukwiraga kwira, and you know I have a baby. Andu makeragia githungu.
Yes.
You know I have a baby. And is boy. Na hata kama unataka kunipenda ningependa kwanza nikujulisha kwamba mimi sina anything na the father, but there is that agreement now with the father.
Anaonanga mtoi
every Saturday anakujanga home kuona mtoi.
Adara male wiru
wathukanire ni gwathobocanire wathobocanire reke ngwire muthu
ani twendana nawe no he mundu ukaga kuona ati okaga kuona mwana
githeri ni kiagire mboco he mboco ikumia ko mbembe mwe riu
ni ndire hau ni ngatarwo mathabu-ini macio siwezi
but and there is much you can do.
Agweta baby daddy handu we twendana we na mwana ni sawa ndiregete
ugika atia
no riu uhoro wa gutwika ati mwendana na mundu ucoke ni sawa ena mwana
riu urari uguo tondu we ni uhikanitie na ena ciana muci urari uguo ko wikira tu-ini riu kiu uguo raiga tiguo ngirauga.
Oiru ba wendo mati
kaundu karathie na mbere by the way na ni karathiururuka muno makiria na ndingiuga ati nie ni kaundu koru na ni kaundu karatwika embraced by the generation that is here, you know, the young generation.
Yes.
Atithu ele ithu ni turahitukire hau mena kaundu ma embrace te gakuga sharing is caring. Sharing is
caring.
Kuga ikoro ni ugite mwana na mundu gwitwo muthoni ndrenda muthoni I really appreciate if you
no kono thio na mbere uria ndirekaga hingo ria
uthio na mbere
ko ni mwana ndirathomithagia mwana thie na mbere
uthio na mbere no kono kurari na trappings of power.
Yes.
You still enjoy them.
Yes. Well, you don't have a problem.
Sharing is caring. Mara embrace ka
Gato muri twa wendo twaingihire.
No reke ngwire. Korona magithoma thukuru ri we ndu nathoma githomo giki marathoma. Magithoma thukuru ri makandame mathomithagia ri. Ni ukoraga ciana icio kuma tene ri. Muthenya wa Thursday ri. Ringi ni meragwo magakua toido ciana cia gwere ngi ni gwetagia toido makero makwere ngi ni Thursday I don't know what kuhinga
ni muthenya wa
kuhinga Thursday koragwo caguritwo ni thukuru mokaga na snacks magoka na matunda and everything by the way na kiugo kire giko gigithie na mbere hau muno ri kana ira tungimita ni moto ya muthenya ucio ri itagwo sharing is caring ino magukite makiumite thukuru mena undu ucio wa gucia na they really don't care they are sharing
ati aigwa responsibility ya mwana ucio rari ho ni irathio na mbere ni uria wa muciarire
exactly
ni ithio ra muciari
exactly
agakena muno
matire na thina by the way ona ndakiguire by the way ngigwa discussion ngi makidiscuss guku kiria mitandao-ini because I listen ngigwa makiuga ati ona mwiritu ucio angimwira ati ekwa fulani he doesn't care much undu ucio ati undu wa kumuhahura because I know the guy I know the guy. The most unfortunate thing ni kwe ya kwamba hajaniambia ameenda kwa nani.
Leo ni muiretu uraiga.
Ni kada.
O kada rauga riu muiretu amwirite athie kwangania.
Ta riu ati amwire athie kwangania. Akaiga that's not much. I know the guy. I know the guy.
Yes.
And I know my girl is in safe hands. Yes. Agure mukuru ona ndungerekereria mundu ndagika 3 sharing is caring
thimo weko no akinya ni woima ureka atia tawe ugurenya
na ni mukuru
ithuĩ tũkĩhikania rĩu maũndũ ta macio
kwĩ maũndũ marathi na ũguo rungu maroka macenjetie maũndũ mothe ũrĩa woĩ kĩondo kĩa wendo kĩambagwo mokĩte gĩũkĩte kĩambũrĩtwo gĩkĩambagwo werũ gĩkĩambagwo werũ ona ũiru ũcio warĩ ho atĩ wa this is my girl or this is my boy it's no longer there yes aikoro mundu ni we ndirakwira ga story haha ndirakwira the other day I gave you a story here ya mundu uhikanetie nake mutumia ucio ni ahikanetie
yes
enda ni mutumia waku
no nake ni ahikanetie
kana kairetu gaku kahiki gaku
yes
no
kena boy girlfriend
enda girlfriend
na kana girlfriend yaku
na ni komeini ni komeini na muraima ha mugathie say give you that story muraima ha mugathie na nyukie and she tags her along
at the best friend
mugathie ukamuwera nyumba ukunoko ya nyumba yanyu waigwa ndukumuwera we muiretu ura mwinake akamuwera na mukawa hunduka na we ukiugaga andu arataga yakwa by the way ati they kuna friendship ingine kali sana na ni girlfriend yaku your girlfriend has a girlfriend
na kena girlfriend
now what do you do what do you do
ugodaciarirwo tene
maundu marathi macenjetie ndenda ni na mboro wakwa ndi kuria mekora
Oikara ngimaragiria
agorire ni haria ni kamera mamenye thi ni rathiuruka mundu enyitirire
omoni aria thiuruka ugure kinyamu kiria gikokia
no rathiuruka mundu enyitirire
mukamethiuruka
ni mwirere ke ngwire ugituika athi hau enyitirire ni wacomoka umenye hatiri undu ungi
aria okugwa ndukauma
ndukoneka ringi to ti kwega ti kwega koru muno muthuri reke nguheage uhoro kubaya sana genaga ringi turahutha huthia maundu na maundu na marathie na mbere ri eventually ni hari kinya everybody for himself and God for us all ya no turorete mundu atindike tuna make tekwenda kumenya ona ndakuona by the way na ngona wega hatiri undu uratonya tu hari uthiete gutonya utonyete gikerengeini kia miruthi ona ndaigua biu ni ndirenda kanua gakwa geke ati gakwanirire gakwire ati tithero hari ororete irima-ini ria miruthi ukona ndacomora mbura ndakanua kana pegi kana zip
gira
ingerorera ukirio
ndugiaria.
That's exactly where we are headed. Yes. Tondu maundu mathiite marituhite
na macenjetie muno ginya definition ire yari ho ya wendo na horo wigie kihiko niki
aiko riu by the way andu maikara thi uko ni ahiki maikara thi riu maracinda no horo wa kiria wa body count.
Yes
yo ni riu
ni discuss
topic.
Yes ati musane uria mangiria riu no wa body count
ni ukaigua mundu aiga no uko kwa kameme nilikuwa huko nilikuwa kwa kameme uko nilibakiza kadhaia hivi na wahianyu sababu ni wafupi.
Kina wote
nilianza na gatonye na mbili no eza gwacha na arahuka nilianza na arahuka odiru mundu bari abareganira and they are clapping for one another.
Yes
clapping for one another. Wamarona uko and you see the most unfortunate thing maundu matitarira mari matene kana tene riria gutari na exposure ya kindu gitagwo social media. Right now maundu mothe by the way andu mareka ithaka ni moru kana ni mega they are appearing
on social media. Tondu ne tikite riu ninge mwarimu uria murutani uria muru pio
mundu athome mtu asome na asome yo nire kigerio by the way no mumaki ukoragwo urio we
wika
we no ucoka ogegerio kiweka
ari uri ikara oguo maundu maku mambiriria uria maguthie consequences ciambiria gukuhit
we no we andikagira 0/100 no kandika ati simi
simi atoris
owe
la vie poor very poor no kila kiguthuko
kandika ukiana simi